Your refrigerator may look a little different, but don't worry, feel free to give the tips a try. Ice and water dispenser not cooperating? Here are some simple troubleshooting tips to get it flowing. If your refrigerator was just installed, check that the refrigerator is connected to a water supply and that the water supply is turned on. The water supply system needs to be primed before use. Air in new plumbing lines can cause uneven water flow. Check your owner's manual for priming instructions. The dispenser has a device that shuts off after 3 minutes of continuous use. To reset the shutoff device, release the dispenser paddle. Water from the dispenser does not come out chilled. This is normal, as the system is not designed to chill water. It's normal for the ice dispenser to make a snapping or clicking sound when the ice chute opens and closes. When dispensing ice cubes, some smaller pieces may come out as well. This is normal. What if the dispenser is not dispensing ice? The refrigerator's display may be locked. Unlock it by pressing and holding the lock key for 3 seconds. There may not be ice in the bin. The fridge doors might not be closed. The dispenser may have shut off if the paddle was pressed for too long. Reset the shutoff device by releasing the dispenser paddle. Ice may be jammed around the auger from melting and refreezing due to less frequent use or temperature fluctuations. You can try removing the ice bin and gently shaking it to loosen the frozen ice. Or you can place the ice bin in the sink to let it thaw. Bonus tip: run hot water to speed the thawing. Clean and dry the bin, then put it back in place. Ice may be jammed between the ice maker and ice bin. Pull out the bin, remove the ice cubes, and place the bin back in position. The auger may have rotated out of alignment when moving the ice bin. Turn the auger in 45-degree turns until the ice bin fits back into place. If the dispenser is not dispensing water, the refrigerator's display may be locked. Unlock it by pressing and holding the lock key for 3 seconds. The water filter may not be installed properly. Remove and reinstall it just to be sure. The water filter may be clogged or overdue for replacement. If it's older than 6 months or water is dispensing slowly, it's time for a new one. Use the filter finder on Frigidaire.com to buy the genuine Frigidaire filter for your refrigerator. That should do it! Now enjoy fresh ice and water on demand. You've got this!